Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I am at one of Pennsylvania's newest state parks. This is, for now, Susquehanna Riverlands State Park. We're in York County, we're in the Pelham Hills. This was just designated a state park just a few weeks ago. Today's October 12th. The governor declared this a state park on September 27th, along with Vosburgh Neck State Park, that's in Wyoming County, and Big Elk Creek State Park, which is in Chester County. Out behind me here is Bruner Island Power Plant, Susquehanna River, and there's a lone stack out there. That is the Lancaster County Solid Waste Plant near Bainbridge. So we're going to take a walk here. This road is actually the only trail for now. This is actually a part of the Mason-Dixon Trail. So we're going to take a walk here, see what we can find. There's not much. There's no amenities yet. I would assume going to cut more trails and everything like that. But doing this state park series, I figure we'll get it in now, and then maybe in a year or two come back and see how it's changed. All right, so we're up on a hill there. We're kind of dipping down here. Out to the east is the Susquehanna River, and then to the north of us is the Codorus Creek. Last year when my daughter played for a softball team in York, I used to hike along the Codorus Creek during her practices a little bit there, and kind of always wondered where it went, where it joined up with the Susquehanna. Well, we're going to see it today, hopefully. Again, I don't know what to expect. I don't know how far we can go, but we're going to give it a shot and see if we can see where the Codorus runs into the Susquehanna here. There will eventually be paths and trails to some awesome overlooks on the Susquehanna River. Topo Ranger just recently mentioned Shoals Rock. He was down by the Shocks Mill Bridge. We'll see this side of the Shocks Mill Bridge for the first time, and that'll be part of this. I don't know if we can get there yet, but we'll certainly try. 2.75 miles of the Mason-Dixon Trail is here. I am following the blue blazes for that trademark light blue blazes, and I'm actually getting a triple blaze here, which means I stops. Got a little spot here with a service road. Looks like there's a house over there. And yeah, triple blaze usually means you're at the end of a trail, but we're not at the end of the Mason-Dixon Trail. More like we're in about the middle of it. All right, so we just walked down what is technically River Farm Road. Forge Road or lane goes up past a house. There's a bunch of cars there, and out to the farm that we saw earlier. I'm wondering if that's kind of still private. People are moving out, not sure. On Google Maps, this looks like a continuation of River Farm Road, but it is not a drivable road. But I do see a blue blaze, so I guess we're back on the Mason-Dixon. It's a dry stream bed here that we're following. Path is very rocky, and there were at first there were some little divot kind of things where you can easily turn an ankle if you're not careful. So again, not maintained or anything yet. They've got a lot of work to do here, but man, this is just these trees. It is a perfect fall day also, which makes this great. It's pretty cool here this morning. Sunny, but yeah, this will like I said, I want to do a before and after on this. You know, this was just designated 2.5 weeks ago with the other 2 state parks, so a 3-way tie. And I'm not sure that I mentioned this, but we are on just over 1,000 acres here, up against the river. Okay, did a little magic here. Stream bed actually has water in now. We are walking north, and we're going towards the Cadorus Creek right now. Okay, so we just came down the road here. Seems to be a big area where you could park. The road goes out that way. But here's the Cadorus Creek. Well, pathway to it. Not sure how far we can walk down that way to the river, but we'll see. The rapids right up there are making like, I think it's the rapids making like a chainsaw noise almost. I doubt you can hear it, but kind of weird. It's great. Fall leaves coming down. This is about the widest I've seen the Cadorus. It's not this wide up where I used to walk along it. Looks like we can go down a little bit here. Looks like there's a bridge up there. See how far I can work down to the river. I really want to get to that railroad bridge down there. That's Shucks Mill Bridge comes this way and turns up the river. No going down here. I thought maybe back here somewhere there may be a trail. At this point it's all bushwhacking, so hopefully they can plan to do kind of a creekside trail here when they do improve it, make it a state park. That would be awesome. Because yeah, and you come this way, looks promising, and then you get up to here and you're pretty much dropping off into the water and trees and vines and thorns and everything else down there. Don't have any sort of waterproof footwear on me, so not going to happen today, but hey, hopefully they get on doing improvements here, beef this up. It's going to be an amazing state park. This thing about walking up this way from that lot, take that road up there, there is a place to cross Cadorus, and the Cadorus furnace is up there too. I'll have to see how far that is. All right, so I headed back to the car. I wasn't confident about going into the private property areas. When I got back to the parking lot, there was a DCNR truck there. I was very hopeful I'd get to talk to somebody and ask, you know, really what can you do here in this park. Apparently he was down in the woods somewhere. There was another gentleman there that gave me some info about the area. He has hunted here before and everything like that. You know, said it was fine if I went down there, and you know, not that I don't trust him, but I would have rather talked to the DCNR ranger just to know for sure. Hey, with this new state park, which is going to be absolutely beautiful, and Big Elk Creek and Vosburgh Neck. There are now 124 state parks in Pennsylvania. I've been trying to get to 121, but there are 124 now. This is the first time since 2004 that there's been new state parks. And there used to be 4 counties in Pennsylvania that did not have state parks. Vosburgh Neck State Park takes care of Wyoming County. So now there are only 3 counties in Pennsylvania without a state park. Comment below, tell me those 3 counties. If you're first, I am going to mail out a prize pack, a Hiker Dude Dad prize pack to you. Don't get excited, it's not much. It's very small. But comment below with the 3 counties in Pennsylvania that do not have a state park. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe. Please watch videos. Please like the content, and we will make more. Thank you so much for watching. Susquehanna Riverlands State Park. This was awesome. I'll be back. I want to see what they do to the place. Take care.